Good day, my name is Fernanda Lopez Suarez, studying in Duitama City of the semester Commercial and Financial Process Technical. My family is celebrating the New Year. My grandmother is preparing a delicious dinner. While my mother is helping to my grandmother. My uncles are drinking beer. And so my aunt Maria is drinking whiskey beside. My nephews and niece are eating natilla and buñuelos. Part of family is dancing salsa music. All my family is enjoying the celebration. My nephew Camilo is not dancing because I don't like. My daughter and I are visiting some neighbors to share our dinner. And Nick, we are giving the happy year, and after we are eating some grapes. We are singing, speaking, and lounging till the others die. On the New Year's, we are buying all time to prepare roasters. In the river, children are swimming while the family are preparing the lunch. My nephew Camilo is talking the sun. Okay, he don't like to do nothing. After the lunch, we are taking relaxed baths. Finally, we are returning to our house. Thank you.